Welcome to the video where we review the new burst capacity warning in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise lets us define a base host pool capacity in the autoscale settings. This represents the number of session hosts ready to be started and service login requests. We can also specify a number of session hosts that the pool can burst beyond to accommodate additional non-typical capacity. Additional burst capacity may be a result of a misconfiguration or higher usage than expected in the host pool. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise now provides visibility when burst capacity is in use. It does this with a warning displayed next to the host pool name. The warning displays when burst capacity is in use on the host pool. That is how Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3 alerts when a host pool uses burst capacity.